Hello everyone, we are student of NIT Polytechnic Nagpur, Department of Electrical Engineering, final year. This is our project. This project title is Auto Selection of any available three-phase supply system. My name is Tushar Sakole and these are my team members.
My name is Mayur Hussain.
My name is Sumit Dharme.
My name is Piyush Kalpande.
This project abstract is how the various modules involved in the system has been implemented. All the modules are interconnected to each other and are independent of load connect. The hardware architecture consists of phase sensing, control logic, power supply, display unit, relay drive and DC relay. The control logic circuit choose the phase priority for one cut of 3 supply phase drive selection drive the relay according to the signal received from the controller logic unit. Will the relay connected the load to the be available phase through the contact that fit from all the 3 phase. The NAND gate operate and AND gate follow at NOT gate. It act in the of logic operation and followed by negative. The output is false if both input are true, otherwise the output is true.
Hello friends, now I will explain the components and its working.
This is our transformer. These transformer are used in this project for the step down of voltage, which is given in our household services, which is 230 volt, and this converts into 12 volt AC. Now the diodes are used in this project. These are the diodes. This converts the AC current in DC, which is not the direct pure DC, but this converts in sine wave. So the capacitor makes it capacitor filter the AC current, and this provides the pure DC. And these regulators are used to provide the regulated DC 5 volt voltage regulator and 12 volt voltage regulator. These are the relay used to switch and sense the input which is given to the microcontroller. This sense the fault and gives the microcontroller. This is our 16:2 liquid crystal LCD display. This shows the readings of the whole project, and microcontroller gives the input to LCD display, and this shows the readings. And this is our resistors used for the regulate the current, and this is resistor array. This is a liquid crystal 11.059 hertz. This is capacitor to filter it, and this is capacitor. This is push button to reset the microcontroller, and this is our microcontroller, which is used to calculate the input and gives the output. This is potentiometer to regulate its brightness, LCD brightness, and these are the LEDs used and showed the which phase is currently working. And these 3 are the transistors, BC547 transistor to switch to control the relays, and these are the diodes these are the flyby diodes. These are the LEDs which shows the output supply, and this is the capacitor. This is also resistor. And so friend, this is our whole components.
तो जैसे कि हमें पता है ये ट्रांसफार्मर है, तो ये जो ट्रांसफार्मर है ये एज अ मेन ट्रांसफार्मर वर्क कर रहा है, क्योंकि ये कंपोनेंट्स को वर्क करने के लिए पावर सप्लाई चाहिए होता है, तो ये कंपोनेंट के लिए काम कर रहा है. तो जैसे कि मैंने ये सप्लाई काट दिया तो कंपोनेंट बंद हो गए, क्योंकि ये मेन ट्रांसफार्मर है. तो जैसे ही चालू कर दिया तो कंपोनेंट्स काम करना चालू कर दिए. और जो हमारी फेज लाइन है RYB, वो ये है मेन जो फेज लाइन है RYB ये है. तो जैसे कि मैंने अब R फेज की लाइन चली गई, किसी वजह से कट हो गई, तो यह R फेज से किसी और फेज पर शिफ्ट हो जाएंगी, तो ये Y फेज पे शिफ्ट हो गई है. और यहाँ पे जो है इंडिकेशन आ जाएगा कि सप्लाई सिलेक्शन फेज 2 इज़ कमिंग, मतलब फेज 2 की लाइन आ रही है, मतलब Y की लाइन आ रही है, Y पे शिफ्ट हो गया. अभी जैसे ये चालू हो जाएगा तो ये फेज 1 R पे शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, मतलब R की जो है अभी डिफ़ॉल्ट में लाइन चालू है, और Y की गई और R की भी गई, तो ये थर्ड फेज पे शिफ्ट हो जाएंगे, यानी कि B फेज पे. तो मतलब सप्लाई जो है कंटिन्यूसली चालू रहेगा और लोड जो है चालू रहेगा। और इसी की जो इंडिकेशन है क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं, क्या कैलकुलेशन हो रही है माइक्रो कंट्रोलर के अंदर, वो इसमें डिस्प्ले पे शो होती रहेंगी।
This project have disadvantages and advantages. Advantages is it is reliable. If any fault is cut, then it is automatically convert in other running phase. Third advantage is it has high accuracy. Fourth is if a fault occurs in any phase, it is easy to check on LCD display. And disadvantages is it has costly working.